dear children. Today we are going to study comparing decimals. The last class you already learned what are decimals, then what are the specialties of decimals, then what are the expanded form, short form of a decimal, then comparison of comparing decimals to fractional form and fractional form to decimal form. These all are you study. Then here today our today's topic is comparison of decimals. How will you compare two decimal numbers? Okay. Then you know that in a decimal number, what is a decimal number? A number having a dot, that means 3.25. Here this is an example of which type of number? Decimal number. In this decimal number there are two parts are there. Which are they? In between the dot, after the decimal point there are two digits are there. These two digits are called decimal part. This is decimal part, and left side of decimal dot, this left side number, this is called whole number part. Another name of this whole number part is integral part. Okay. Then this is decimal numbers. In a decimal number having whole number part and a decimal part. So when we compare two decimal numbers, what is the first step? Compare the digits to the left of the decimal point. First you compare the whole number part or the integral part. What do you mean by whole number part? Left side of dot. That numbers are called a whole number part. So what is the first step? You compare the whole number part of the both decimal numbers. Okay, understand? Here what is the whole number part of this number? 28. Here 7. Then we compare these two numbers. 28 is greater than 7, isn't it? 28 is big and 7 is small. So 28 is greater than 7. This is the symbol using which number is greater. This way you write it simple. Then here, so in these two decimal numbers, when we compare these two decimal numbers, which is our greater decimal number? Yes, here 28 is greater, so 28.46 is greater. So you put this symbol, that means the opened mouth faced on the biggest number. Okay. So what is the first step? In a decimal number, first you compare which part? Yes, whole number part or the integral part. Okay. Then which is the biggest whole number part? That is the biggest decimal number. That is step 1. Then what is step 2? If in the case of the both whole number part or the integral parts are same, in that case, how will you compare the given decimal numbers? Here, step 2, convert into like decimals and compare the digits to the right of the decimal part. This is the second step. You look here. Here first you compare the whole number part. When we compare the whole number part, here the both whole number parts are same. That means 57. Here also 57. Both are same. In that case, what is our next step? You check the integral part. No, you check the decimal part. Okay. Here what is the decimal part? 63. Here what is the decimal part? Yes, 619. Here how many digits are there? Only 2 digits. Here 3 digits. So convert into like decimals. What is meant by like? You know that what are like fractions. Okay. If the denominators are same, such type of fractions are called like fraction. The same way, like decimals means the decimal part, the number of decimal part, if both are same, that are called decimal like decimals. Here only 2 digits are there, here 3 digits. So you convert this also, yes, 3 digit number. So this is 63. So simply you put 1 0. Now our decimal part having how many? uh, digits are there 3. Then what is the next number? 619. When we compare these two numbers, 630 and 690, which one is greater? You know that 630 is greater. So this fraction is the, this decimal is the greatest decimal number. Okay. All of you understand? Once again listen. When we compare two decimal numbers, first you compare the whole number part. In that case, which is the greater whole number, that is the greater fraction, the greater decimals. Then that is the second step. If both the whole number parts are same, in that case you check the decimal part. Okay, if in decimal part there is only 2 digits are there, here 3 digits are there, in that case you convert this also in 3-digit number. How will you convert this as in the 3-digit number? Yes, last place you put one 0. This way you convert this into decimal like decimals. One more example, that is 7.6 and 7.125. In that case, which fraction is greater? Here you look. Here also both whole number parts are same. In that case you check these two places. That means these two decimal part. Here 6 only, here 125. Here how many digits are there? 3 digits are there. Here is only 1 digit. So what will you do? Yes, here we need 3 digits. So simply you put 2 zeros here. Now the given decimals having how many digits? 3 digits. Then you compare 600 and 125. Which one is greater? Yes, 600. So which is our greater decimal number? 7.6 or 7.125? 7.6 is greater. Okay, this way you compare decimal numbers. Your textbook, page number 175, exercise 8.3. First question, which is greater? Here you compare which decimal numbers are greater decimal number. Here using that steps you compare these all decimals. Then your first question is 0.3 and 0.4. What is our first step? First you compare the whole number part. Here when we compare these two whole number part, both are same. Yes, isn't it? Here 0, here also 0. So what is our next step? Yes, you take the whole number part. Okay. Next step you take the decimal part. Here decimal part, which is our number 3. Here 4. In decimal part, here 3 and here 4. So which is greater, 3 or 4? Yes, 4 is greater. So in that case, when we compare these two decimals, 0.3 and 0.4, in that case which is greater? 0.4 is greater. Okay. Then our question number B. Here also first question is 0.07 and second one is 0.02. Here also the whole number part, both integral part are same. Parts are same. Here 0, here also 0. Then what is our next step? Yes, you compare the which part? Yes, decimal part. Here which is our decimal number? 07. Yes, here also 02. 07 means what? 07 means 7 and 02 means 2. Yes, 07 and 02. 07 means 7 and 02 means simply 2. 2 or 7, which one is greater? Yes, 7 is greater. So our which fraction is greater? Yes, 0.07 is greater. All of you understand? Then our third question, 3 and 0.8. Here is no decimal number is there. Okay. Then whole number part only. So you compare the whole number parts. Here 3, here which is our whole number part? Yes, whole number part here 3 and here 0. So 3 and 0, which is greater? 3 is greater, isn't it? So which fraction is greater? This one is greater. All of you understand? Then your fourth question, 0.5 and 0.05. What is our first step? Yes, you compare the whole number part. When we compare the whole number part, both are zeros. 0. Here also 0, here 0. Then when we compare the when we compare the decimal part, then what is our decimal? Here is only 1 digit and here 2 digits are there. Okay. So what is our next step? Yes. If there is not like decimals are there, that means here only 1, here 2 digits. So you convert these two decimal numbers as a like decimals. That means this 5. We need here also 2 digits in the decimal part. Here is 5 only, so simply you put 1 0. Here already 2 digits are there. 0 5. You compare 50 and 0 5. 0 5 means what? In whole number left side there is any 0, that means that number itself. That means 0 5 means 5. So 50 or 5, which is greater? 50 is greater. So when we compare these two decimal numbers, which is greater? Yes, the 0.5 is greater. Then question number E, 1.23 and 1.2. Here also the whole number part 1, here also 1. Then our next step, our decimal part, here 23, here 2 only. Then convert this into like decimals. That means here is 2 digit in decimal part, here is only 1 digit in decimal part. So this 20, here is 23. When we compare 23 and here 2 only. So how will you convert this also in decimal, like decimal? Simply you put 1 0. Now both decimal places having how many digits? 2 digits. Then you compare 23 or 20. Which one is greater? 23 is greater. Okay. So which decimal number is greater? 1.23 is greater. Okay. Then our next question, 0.099, 0.19. Here also the whole number part same. Then compare the decimal part. When we compare the decimal part, in this first part of this question, here is 2 digits, 3 digits are there. Here how many digits? Only 2 digits. So you convert both in 3 digits. So here 099. Here 190. There is only 2 digits, so simply you put 1 0. Now both having 3 digits are there. 099 means what? 99. Then 190, which is greater, 99 or 190? Yes, 190 is greater. So which decimal number is greater? Yes, 0.19 is greater. All of you understand? Then your next one is 1.5 and 1.50. Here also whole number part both are same. Then decimal part, here is only 1 digit. Here 2 digits are there, 50. So you convert this in this also like decimal. So here you simply put 1 0 on the right side. Then now you look, both are same, isn't it? 50, here also 50. So which is the symbol? Here both are equal. So you put equal symbol. Okay. Question number H, 1.431 and 1.490. What is the first step? Same rule. When we compare two decimal numbers, there is same step 1, step 2. Both are the same rules in every question. That means here first you compare the whole number part. When we compare the whole number part, both are same. Then what is our next step? if the whole number parts are same, then you next step, take the decimal part. Here, what is the decimal part? Yes, you just write the decimal part like this. Here 431, here 490. Okay, 431 and 400 both having like decimals. Yes, number of digits same. Here 3, here also 3. So you just compare 431 or 490, which is greater? Yes, 490 is greater. So which decimal number is greater? 1.490 is greater decimal number. Then your question number I, 3.3 and 3.300. Here also first step, whole number part. Both are same. Then decimal part. Here decimal part 3. Here 300. Here is only one digit. Here 3 digits are there. So simply you put 2 zeros. Now you look, 300 and 300. Both are same, isn't it? So which symbol? Both are equal. So put equal symbol here. So 3.3 and 3.300, which is greater? Both are same value. So you put equal symbol. Then your last question, 5.664 and 5.603. Here also the whole number parts are same. So you take the decimal part. Here 64, here 603. Here is only 2 digits are there. Here how many digits are there? 3 digits. So you simply put 1 0 here. Now both having same number of digits. So which one is greater, 640 or 603? Yes, 640 is greater. So 5.64 is greater than 5.603. All of you understand?